I is for alligator, so big and so strong. B is for bear, who roars all day long. C is for cat, who purrs in the sun. D is for dog, always ready for fun. E is for elephant, with a trunk so tall. F is for fox, who loves to run and crawl. G is for giraffe, so tall and so neat. H is for hippo, with huge muddy feet. I is for iguana, slow and so green. J is for jaguar, the fastest you've seen. K is for kangaroo, jumping up high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for owl, wise and so bright. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for quail, with feathers so fine. R is for rabbit, hopping in line. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, magical and true. V is for vulture, flying so blue. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for Zurus, a squirrel that leaps. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes that stick.